नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself Dr. Gaurav Gupta, Assistant Professor, Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we will continue forensic psychiatry. In previous session, we discussed about hallucinations, impulses, obsession, illusions. Now we'll discuss causes of insanity. There are different causes of insanity. One can be hereditary. For example, in case of Huntington's chorea and hemolytic family idiocy, or another cause can be environmental factors such as faulty parental attitude and lack of mental hygiene. In psychogenic causes can be there, for example, unsuccessfully repressed mental conflicts or precipitating causes such as financial and business worries, frustrations and disappointments in sexual affairs, death of close relatives, etc. There can be organic cause where there is organic changes due to head injury or atherosclerosis or senile degeneration, myxedema, pernicious anemia, etc. Classification of insanity. The World Health Organization WHO has recommended in the International Classification of Disease as follows, where there is organic mental disorders which include dementia and Alzheimer's disease, vascular dementia and dementia and other diseases, organic amnesic syndrome, delirium not induced by alcohol and other mental, personality and behavioral disorders due to brain disease, damage or dysfunction. Second type of disorder is mental and behavioral disorder due to psychoactive substances. Third one is schizophrenia, and fourth one is mood disorders. Fifth is neurotic stress related and somatoform disorders, which includes anxiety disorders, obsessive compulsive disorders or OCD, reaction to stress and adjustment disorders, dissociative or conversion disorders, somatoform disorders. Next one is behavioral syndromes associated with physiological disturbances and physical factors, which includes eating disorders, non-organic sleep disorders, sexual dysfunctions not caused by organic disorders or diseases. Mental and behavioral disorder associated with purpurium, abuse of non-dependence producing substances. Next type of classification is next category in the classification is personality disorder, which includes specific personality disorder, habit and impulse disorders, gender identity disorders, and disorders of sexual perversions. It also includes mental retardation, disorders of psychological development. The psychosis associated with organic diseases. These mental illness arises from some structural brain damage, which are called organic psychosis. The organic psychosis are characterized by lability of mood, failure of memory, deterioration of intellect, irritability, irrational anger, confusion, loss of social inhibitions, which may lead such persons into unacceptable behavior and even sudden violence. Dementia is one of the conditions in which there is degeneration of mental faculties, and after they have been fully developed, memory, intellect, and judgments are also impaired. Dementia can be presenile dementia. It may be seen before 65 years of age, that is before the senility. Pseudodementia is associated with schizophrenia, Alzheimer's disease, Pick's disease, Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, and Huntington's chorea. Second is senile dementia. It is caused due to arteriosclerosis and old age. It usually starts after 65 years of age. A feeling of loneliness of being unwanted, loss of prestige, and death of a close relative causes the onset of this disease. The patient is confused, his judgment and memory is impaired, he have delusions, hallucinations, and emotional outbursts. Cerebral tumors. Mental symptoms may occur at any stage of growth of cerebral tumors involving frontal, temporal, and parietal lobe. So, if there is any tumor or cerebral tumor in the prefrontal, frontal, temporal, or parietal lobe, then it will lead to the development of mental symptoms. Any cerebral trauma can precipitate any type of mental illness. Next is drug-induced psychosis, where dependence on psychotropic drugs such as barbiturates, amphetamines, cannabis, heroin, cocaine can lead to psychosis. Cocaine, LSD, amphetamines, and mescaline can produce clinical symptoms similar to schizophrenia. Next is toxic psychosis, which is developed due to heavy metals such as arsenic and mercury. Psychosis can also develop due to deficiency of cyanocobalamin, nicotinic acid, hydroxytryptamine, and hypoglycemia can also produce mental symptoms of mental illness. General paralysis of the insane. There is a chronic progressive condition leading to paralysis and dementia. It is usually associated with meningovascular syphilis and tabes dorsalis. There is a chronic psychoorganic syndrome which is characterized by temperamental and personality changes, and memory is also impaired with retardation of thought process. Epileptic psychosis. Short transitory fits of uncontrollable mania occurs in this condition. There is general impairment of the mental faculties with loss of memory and self-control. Auditory and visual hallucinations are followed by delusions of persecution. Moral sensibility is lost, and sometimes they are dangerous to themselves and to others, and there may be progressive dementia. Other causes of organic pathology can be alcoholism, where there is alcoholic blackout, delirium tremens, alcoholic hallucinosis, Korsakoff psychosis, delusion of jealousy. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.